folks, and welcome to another one of our adventures. Our adventure takes you to
Rochelle, Illinois, to the Rochelle Railroad Park, and today is the last day of Rochelle Rail Days.
So join us on another one of our adventures as we take you to see a beautiful railroad park. So welcome to Railroad Days here in Rochelle, Illinois. I believe it started,
At 11 a.m. this morning.
yeah,
It's on until 3 this afternoon.
right. Yeah, nice, beautiful day for it. They got the bouncy house for kids. And you could just sit and watch the trains go
They
by.
have a couple playing country folk music.
Yes. Here she comes.
Usually old cars or something. It's like dangerous.
Yeah.
It even has radios to communicate between the trains. Long one.
Also got something on the end.
Oh, cool. Oh, it was a great timing. Excellent timing. This was a great train to videotape. It's a mix. It's a mixed train here. We have a few oil takers here.
Oh yeah. It's a really new train.
They're slowing up going into the freight yard as well. I don't see anything in that, or they might have been empty. So they do like separate cars and other things.
Okay, there's going to be another train coming this way, folks, on the opposite side of from where we were standing.
Yeah, this would be for the BNSF line.
Yeah, the BNSF line.
I just love being out here just because I like the weather, and I also
Yeah.
because you can see sometimes on these train cameras you can see some nice sunsets
And
or
you know what's really nice about this? It's like 77 degrees today, so it's a
gorgeous.
perfect day for it. And if you're really into trains like my husband, you definitely are going to love this place.
And some people here are even more knowledgeable in advance. Like,
Yeah.
because he was, yeah, the other gentleman was mentioning something about trainradar.com.
So, honey, you enjoying your day here at the Rochelle Railway Park?
Yeah, it's very, very nice. Perfect weather. It's also nice to see the trains go by. It was nice to go visit the gift shop while it's open.
Yes. We're standing way over here because not too far away there was like a couple of hornets up on top. So I kind of want to avoid them at all costs.
Yeah.
I'm deathly afraid of bees, so no.
Me too.
Okay, folks, it's going to be coming. I can already hear a rumble in the tracks. And I can hear it already. It's going to be coming soon.
Going from east to west, right? Or going from west to east, right?
Yes. Yeah, the gates are starting to go down on the other side, folks. Here comes the train. Choo choo.
You hear a lot of like intermodal cars that go from freight to truck to ship. So this is
Oh, yeah.
here's the railroad junction.
Yeah. I just love coming out here. It's so nice.
It's very nice. We hope to visit some more of these railroad junctions, hopefully in the future.
Oh, yeah.
But yeah, each time we've been here so far, perfect weather.
I know. Last time we were up here was pretty good. It was nice and cool, but it was really nice. And today we have like perfect weather, like 77 degrees,
Mm-hmm.
and that nice breeze.
Mm-hmm.
When that breeze hits you, it feels really good.
Mm-hmm.
Ah, this is really nice.
Mm-hmm.
See, there's a camera right up there, and you could even wave hi to it and be on camera.
It's the virtual rail fan.
Yes. It's pretty neat. They got Elsa here for the little kids. That's so nice. And it's nice big bouncy house for the kids. Hey, honey, why don't you go in there and I'll take your picture?
No.
They also had a band out here playing, but I didn't want to get too much of it due to copyright strikes, so
It's like country folk. So
Yeah.
like folk music.
It was
from
really
the
nice.
60s and the country
Yeah.
music is.
That was really nice. And then right over there is a gift shop.
Yes.
Well, folks, that's going to conclude it for our vlog here of Rochelle Rail Days Park. So what did you think, hon?
It was a lot of fun. You know, it was interesting to hear some of the conversation. We were conversating with one of the other guys that's really into trains. Like, he even has like a train radar thing. He also even has a CB, so he can hear the locomotive guys, the
Yeah.
engineers talk, amongst themselves and
Right.
stuff. So it was a lot of stuff.
Yeah, very knowledgeable about trains and everything, so it's very informative.
And also, plus the gift shop is open. They're only open like limited hours, I believe, Wednesday through Sunday.
So, folks, that's going to conclude it for our vlog. We just had to stop for a little bit because one of the guys needed to get by. I guess he was a Cubs fan, so I let him go. But if he was a Sox fan, no way. It's just a little humor. But anyway, that's going to conclude it for our vlog. So if you like this vlog, give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, don't forget that subscribe button down below so you don't miss any more coming adventures of Scott and Michelle. We really want to appreciate you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you in our next adventure. Thanks for watching, folks. We love ya.